Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. So in today's video we will learn how to send new circle member data to Microsoft Excel. So now let's say that whenever a new member is added in my circle account, then with the same details of the member, I wish to add those details in my Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So now how I will do this? For that I need to integrate these applications for which I will be using Pabbly Connect, where my trigger application will be Circle and my action application will be Microsoft Excel. So to learn how I set up the integration, follow me through the screen. In this video we will learn that how you can send new Circle member data to Microsoft Excel. So here you want, whenever a new member is added in your Circle account, then by using the details of the same member, you wish to add those details in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. For that, I will sign into my Pabbly Connect account. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and at the time of account creation, you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I will click on sign in. So now this is the all applications page by Pabbly Connect. We will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to create a new workflow. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side and click on this create workflow button. And over here in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. I have named it as send new circle member data to Microsoft Excel, and now I will click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are those two important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation or integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So moving to my trigger window, as my use case suggests, that is to send new circle member data to Microsoft Excel. So in my trigger window, I will be selecting my trigger application as Circle. So I will search for Circle over here, and here it is. Now as I did that, I need to select the trigger event that will be new member. That means this trigger will start working whenever a new member will join the community or whenever a new member will be added by admin. So I'm selecting this option. As I did that, now I need to establish a connection between Circle and Pabbly Connect. For that, I will click on this connect button. And now over here, if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same, or you can simply add a new connection. So to add a new connection, you need to give our API token and the host. So for that, I will take you to my Circle account, and over here in this URL, this is my host. So I will simply copy it and go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. So I've pasted it. Moving to API token, I will again go back to my Circle account, go to settings and then to API. And over here, these are some existing APIs. So I will click on this create token button. And I will give my API a name that will be current. And now I will click on create. So here the API key is generated. I will simply just copy it and go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. So now I will click on save. And you can see that Circle is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So now whenever a new member will be created in Circle, then automatically the details of that member will be captured over here by Pabbly Connect. So over here, moving to community ID, that is by the name of Confab. So it is automatically selected over here. Now you can see that there is a save and send test request button given. As soon as I will click on that, it means that I need to make a test submission or I need to create a test member. Then the details of that member will be captured over here. So what I will do is I will take you to my Circle account and create a member over there. Here I will invite the member. So over here I need to fill in the basic information that goes by name and email. So the name will be dummy user and I have added over here, and the email will be dummyuser@pabblytudes.com. So I have filled in the name and email. Now I will simply scroll down, and over here I will click on this invite button and a mail will be sent on this email ID. So over here I will click on invite, and you can see that dummy user has been added to this community. That means over here you can see that dummy user falls under the category of invited. So here I've opened the invitation link in the incognito mode, and over here you can see the full name, and now I need to mention the password, and now I will click on accept invitation. So over here I need to create my profile. So I'm only going with full name and I'm leaving these details blank, and I will click on skip. Again on skip. And now my profile is successfully created. So I will close this incognito window. And over here in members, you can see that dummy user is successfully created as a member in Circle. You can see the name as dummy user, email as dummyuser@pabblytudes.com. And the role is of being a member. You can see the date joined, last active date as well. So now I will take you back to Pabbly Connect, and over here I will click on save and send test request. So now over here in the response received, you can see the user ID, at what time it was updated at, along with some other details. So scrolling down, here you can see the name of the member along with the email ID of the member. That means the detail of the member is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will check for new data in every 3 hours. Now moving further, as my objective was to add this new data of the member in Microsoft Excel. So I will simply click on this and go to my action window. Over here, I will search for Microsoft Excel. And here it is. So as I did that, now I need to select the action event. That will be to add row to worksheet. That will be. And now I will click on connect because I need to establish a connection between Microsoft Excel and Pabbly Connect. So simply clicking on connect. And over here, if you have the existing connection, you can go with the same. Or you can simply add a new connection by signing in with your Microsoft Excel account. So I will go with the existing connection, and I've already opened Microsoft Excel in one of my tabs. So I will simply click on save. And now here, Microsoft Excel and Pabbly Connect are successfully connected. Moving to workbook. So from this drop down, I will be selecting my workbook. So my workbook name is by the name of Circle. So I will search for Circle, and here it is. I've selected it. And here is the drive ID. Moving to the worksheet, so my worksheet is only one. Here you can see that I only have one worksheet, so it has automatically captured over here. Moving to column A and column B, that is name and email. So I will simply map the name from the response we have previously received. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So over here I will search for name and I will scroll down. Here is the name and I have mapped it. Moving to column B, I will be searching for email over here, and here is the email. I have mapped it. So now why I have used mapping over here, because with the help of mapping, whenever a new member will be created in my Circle account, then automatically these old details will be replaced with the new details. So now I will simply go to save and send test request and see the response. So here you can see that we have received a response, and it is a positive response. Now I will take you to my Microsoft Excel sheet. Over here you can see that under name, the name is dummy user and the email goes by dummyuser@pabblytudes.com. That means the detail of my Circle member is successfully added over here in my Microsoft Excel worksheet. So this integration between Circle and Microsoft Excel was successful. Now whenever a new Circle member will be added, then automatically the details of that member will be added in my Microsoft Excel worksheet.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.